Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here, and today I am sharing my Ipsy Boxycharm for the month of October. So I'm excited about this box and I'm excited to share it with you, so let's just get to it and see what's in here. Okay friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. So there we go. We got this open little sneak peek here of our items. I believe I got 2 add-ons and then the 5 items that come in it. So there should be 7 items I'm sharing today. First of all, I am going to share the items that Ipsy chose for me. And a lot of this, they do pretty well with my paying attention to my profile and what I like and don't like, or what I want a lot of or less of or whatever. I do go in and change it periodically. In fact, I just went in and changed it because the icon box is coming up and there's a couple things I was wanting in that, so I kind of reworked it a little bit for that. But I did have getting foundation often, which I switched now, but because I had that, they went ahead and gave me this. This is the Girl Active, let's see, Girl Actic, let's see what they call it. This is the 2-in-1 Luminous Tint Foundation in F3 Neutral, which should work for me. But I'm set kind of on the foundations I like, so I'm not really excited about trying them anymore. But anyway, this looks like it could be decent. Gosh, I'm not sure I want to use it in case I do want to pass this along. But well, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. Okay. There's just a dot right there. It looks like the color is going to be okay. It's a little bit, it's yellow. It's way yellow. Ooh. I don't know. Okay. Well, that's kind of a disappointment. So that was the one they picked for me. I think if I had less, I think I had a little bit too much. If I had less and I maybe mixed something in with it, like a bronze drop or something, that might be okay. So I don't know, maybe I'll give that a try. But that is the first item that I have right here. Okay, so the second item that they chose for me was, and this is the Reina Rebelled. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. I should have checked that before but they're just, it's hard to read. The font on this is horrible, but it is a highlighter stick and I'm really excited. Hopefully it's a good color. I love highlighter sticks, but I like the lighter kind of ones, not like the really gold or whatever. So let's see. Oh, it's good. It's going to be a good one. Okay, so there it is. Ooh, it's real pretty. Just right there. Okay, so I'm excited about this because I've been wanting highlighter stick. I do like a cream highlighter, and then I like to do a little bit of powder over it, and that's just kind of how I do my highlighter, but this is really pretty. My eyes are, okay. So anyway, that's the second item I got. I'm actually really happy about that one. So I like it. The value of this foundation is $32. So it's not, I wouldn't consider it a low-end foundation at that price. So it's kind of middle of the road. And then the highlighter is valued at $23. So those are the values. Okay, then when it comes to my 3 picks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put go ahead and put on the screen what I had to choose from. I think there was one category that I wanted more than one thing. There was a couple of categories I wasn't too excited about. Anyway, but the first thing I have in here is, let's see what I got. My, I picked the, of course, I love the Rare Beauty blush sticks. I don't think I have a full size one. I think I just have a couple small ones. So this is the color Encourage, and I kind of wiped off that highlighter, but I'll just put it right next to it. Okay, I put too much on. I don't know why I did that. But there's the color. Okay, yeah, it just blends really pretty. That's just really, really pretty. And then let's put it next to that. Put a little another stick of that highlighter on and see how it looks together. Because there's part of my rainbow, and I've got, I believe I have a bronzer in here. So this is kind of fun. I'm so into face palettes, so this is fun for me. And so the second item that I chose was from REM, and it is a REM Beauty, and it is an Essential Drip Glossy Balm in Hocus Cocoa. Now, I debated between the rose color or the cocoa, but I thought for fall, let me get the cocoa. I actually have another rose product in here in another brand. But this is, that's what the box looks like. And there's the color right there. And it looks a little bit too... the color doesn't look, it looks kind of warm for me, but I might try it over this because I think it'll go. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And let's just, okay, it's very glossy. I appreciate the doe foot. It's kind of curved, but it's not huge. You know, I started thinking the reason why they do those huge doe foots is because they want to put less product in. Seriously, because the doe foots, when you have the real big doe foots, they come down to like here when you get the doe foot out. So I appreciate this. This doe foot is kind of small and it's round, but it's a really good one. Look at what the pretty shine. It gave me a really pretty shine. So anyway, there's that. So that is my second pick and fourth product. So my last pick and my fifth product is this is from Lunar Beauty, and this is a bronze stick. I think there was something else in that category I might have wanted, so anyway, I'll show you. I got it in add-ons, but this I'm really happy with too. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. Okay, let's see. It's beautiful case. Now it looks like a little bit light for me for a bronze stick. Oh well, it actually comes on kind of darker. So there it is. So we got the bronze, the blush, and the highlighter. I like to call it my rainbow that goes right here. So anyway, I'm excited. I'm excited to get these three products together. So anyway, that's cool. So then in add-ons, I got they had this in another category. This is the Vizart, and such a good brand. And I really wanted to try their this is, what do they call it? This is just the seamless setting powder. Okay, so there it is right here. Beautiful. Open it up. Anyway, I'm excited. There doesn't look like there's a lot in there, but anyway, I'm excited to use this. I know it's going to be a good quality product. So anyway, that was, I think I picked that up for $12 in add-ons, and there we go. So there's that. And then the last thing I picked up in add-ons is from Milk Makeup, and I believe this was also a choice. I can't remember, but I think it was in a category where I wanted something else worse. But this is the color, and I love Milk Makeup products. I don't think I have I don't know if I have any of their lip products. So I was kind of, you know, excited to try this. So, and so anyway, it's just kind of a light. It's not, I don't think it matches that. Well, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't really. I like this color better, but let's see what we got here. I'll just put, it has the big doe foot too, kind of big, pretty big. And see, look. So it's just a clear, probably not for me, not worth the money. I spent $12 on it, and I know it's a nice lip product, but I have too many. I used to say you can never have too many lip products, but yes, I have too many. You heard me say it now. I have too many, and I will continue to have too many because I really, really like lip products. Okay? Anyway, so there's that. And then I do get the Beauty Boost, and the Beauty Boost this month was from Drunk Elephant, and this is the, it's a $64 value. It's the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I have so many eye creams that I'm not super excited about it, but I know it's good. You know, I know it's probably a good one. I love the aesthetics of the packaging and stuff. I just think that that's just really cute. So I will put it in my rotation of eye creams. What is this? How does this open? Oh, okay. It just, so it's nice. You can travel with it or wherever. It closes and then opens like that. So I do like that. That's a really nice feature. So anyway, there's that. So that's my boost. And so let's just get in here. Once again, I always get to the card last because I forget about it. And so here's the card. I just, the theme of this month is Work Your Magic, and it is, says Work Your Magic. Whether you're conjuring bold looks or summoning serious glow, you've got everything you need to play beauty your way and work a little magic while you're at it, because around here, plain dress up never ends. So there we have it. So it just has these, it has the advent calendar, some previews, sneak peeks of what's coming up. And I have not posted yet, but I did get the advent calendar, so I'm going to share that probably tomorrow from this video. We'll see. Anyway, so there we go. That was the theme and all that good stuff. It says where beauty comes to play inside here. I think that's so cute when they do their boxes, so cute. So anyway, the products I have was the foundation and the, what else did they give me? They gave me the highlighter, which I'm really excited about. Then I picked the Rare Beauty blush. So there's that. I've got the Lunar Beauty bronzer. So I've got my highlighter, blush, and bronzer. I'm super excited to be able to get those three this month together. And then I've got the REM lip product. Super shine. Feels really good. Feels like it's going to be a one that stays on your lips for a shine. So anyway, there's that. And then I have my Beauty Boost, which was the Drunk Elephant eye cream, and I got the VizArt the VizArt setting powder right there. And what was the last thing I picked up in add-ons was the Milk Makeup lip product. So we'll fit that in there. And so there you go. There's my products. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'd love to hear what you think of mine, and what did you get in your box? Were you happy with it? I thought I was not going to be super happy this month, but actually I really am, especially just because I love face products and I got all the face products. So anyway, that was nice. That was nice to get. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Okay, bye-bye.